Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the top door hinge on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the top door hinge cover. Slide the cover forward to remove. If you're replacing the freezer door hinge, you will need to disconnect the wire connector and use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Support the door and use a 3/8-inch socket or wrench to unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the hinge. Lift the old hinge straight up and over the wires if required. Install the new top door hinge by sliding it over the wires if necessary, then align it on the door. Thread the 2 mounting screws to secure. If required, reconnect the wire connector and secure the grounding wire under the screw. Realign the hinge cover and thread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.